The ants and their ways. Ants are among the smallest creatures on Earth, yet their ways of living have fascinated humans for centuries. Found in nearly every corner of the world, these tiny insects live in colonies that display remarkable organization, cooperation, and discipline. Though individually weak, together they form one of nature's most powerful examples of unity. Social structure. Ants live in colonies that can number from a few dozen to millions. Each colony is led by a queen whose sole purpose is to lay eggs. The worker ants, who are usually sterile females, perform tasks such as building tunnels, collecting food, and taking care of the young. Soldier ants protect the colony from enemies, while males usually have the short-lived duty of mating with the queen. This clear division of labor makes their society highly efficient. Communication and cooperation. Ants cannot speak, but they communicate in impressive ways. They use their antennae and release chemicals called pheromones to send signals. For example, when a worker ant finds food, it leaves a chemical trail for others to follow. Soon, long lines of ants can be seen marching toward the food source, carrying pieces many times their own body weight. This teamwork ensures the survival of the whole colony. Hard work and discipline. Ants are often regarded as symbols of hard work. From dawn to dusk, they are busy building nests, gathering food, and caring for their community. They prepare for future needs, especially storing food for harsh seasons. Their tireless labor and dedication teach valuable lessons about discipline, planning, and perseverance, defense and survival. Despite their small size, ants are excellent defenders of their colonies. Soldier ants are equipped with strong jaws or stings to fight intruders. Some species even sacrifice themselves for the safety of the group. Their bravery and loyalty reveal how deeply they value the survival of their community over individual needs. Lessons from ants. The ways of ants hold lessons for humans. They remind us of the importance of unity, cooperation, and planning for the future. Ants show that no task is too great if everyone works together. Their discipline and dedication are qualities that people can admire and adopt in their own lives.